Australia are well paid, but how much do they actually save after monthly expenses? And does it really matter where you live? Let's find out. Hello everyone, I am Sunidhi, your host, and welcome back to Academically, your one-stop solution to career abroad. So make sure to hit that bell icon for more informative videos. If you're planning to move to Australia or just curious about the lifestyle here as a doctor, this video is for you. We will talk about how much doctors earn, how much they typically spend, and why location can make such a big difference. Let's start with salaries. Salaries in Australia vary depending on your role and experience, and if you're just starting out as an intern or resident, you can expect to earn somewhere between 4,500 to 7,000 Australian dollars per month after the tax. As a registrar or senior doctor, that jumps to around 6,000 to 9,000 or more, and if you're a consultant or specialist, monthly income can go up to 12,000 to even $20,000. These numbers go up if you're working overtime, weekends, or on private practice. Now let's talk about spending. If you're living in a big city like Sydney or Melbourne, your cost of living will definitely be on the higher side, especially when it comes to the rent, transport, and dining out. But if you choose to work in a regional town, life becomes a lot more affordable. You get to enjoy a quieter lifestyle and your income stretches further. And of course, it all depends on your lifestyle. Some doctors live luxurious and spend more, while others live simple and save a significant portion of their salary. But overall, regional life does offer more opportunity to save. And the best part, Australia takes care of some of the biggest expenses through its public system. Healthcare is free or heavily subsidized, so you are not spending thousands on insurance. Public education is also free for citizens and permanent residents. And if you are eligible, you could also receive family tax benefits and childcare subsidies, which can make a big difference if you have a family. So unlike some countries, you are not burning money on health insurance or school fees. To wrap it up, yes, doctors in Australia earn well, but how much you save depends on your lifestyle and location. Big cities offer buzz and opportunities, but regional areas offer peace, savings, and sometimes even faster PR pathways. And remember, if you want to become a doctor in Australia, the first step is passing the Australian Medical Council AMC exam. Once you clear this exam, you are well on your way to enjoying these amazing salaries and all the benefits that comes with working as a doctor in Australia. So what are you waiting for? Join Academically's AMC preparation course today and pass the exam on your first attempt with confidence. If you're a doctor planning your move or just exploring options, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And if you have any queries, any doubts, please feel free to comment them below. We will be happy to help. Thank you for watching this video. This is Sunidhi signing off.